Anak-anak sekalian, materi offer and suggestion kita pahami baik-baik satu persatu. Yang pertama adalah suggest. Apa arti suggest? Kita lihat dalam definisinya. To suggest means to give a suggestion, that is to introduce or propose an idea or a plan for someone's consideration. Suggestions are abstract and can be in form of solution, advice, plan, and idea. It can be accepted or refused. Maksudnya adalah bahwa suggest di sini yang dimaksud adalah memberikan saran. Jadi memberikan saran itu berupa nasihat atau solusi dari sebuah permasalahan atau sebuah rencana atau gagasan. Dan saran tersebut bisa diterima dan juga bisa tidak diterima atau ditolak. Contoh sederhananya, ya, for example, let's finish our homework first. Let's go home. Cara yang bisa kita lakukan untuk membuat saran ini antara lain diberikan 4 cara yang sederhana. 4 ways to tell your friends what you would like to do in the next days. Jadi nanti setelah paham, Anda akan bisa membuat kalimat-kalimat yang berpola seperti yang tertera dalam slide, yaitu seperti 1. Anda bisa menggunakan kata what about or how about, diikuti verb ing. For example, what about going to the cinema tonight? How about going to the cinema tonight? Itu cara 1 dengan menggunakan kata what about atau how about. Untuk mengungkapkan saran dengan model yang lain, yang kedua, di sini ditulis ya, why plus negative. For example, why don't we go to the swimming pool tomorrow? Itu cara yang kedua. Cara yang ketiga, menggunakan model imperatif seperti let's plus verb 1. Itu polanya. For example, let's go to the restaurant now. Kemudian yang keempat, menggunakan modal could. For example, we could visit Indonesian miniature park next holiday. Ya, itu 4 cara yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menggunakan pola kalimat suggestion, yaitu untuk menyatakan atau memberikan saran. Contoh-contoh yang lebih komplit, lebih lengkap bisa kita lihat sebagaimana berikut. Let's go to the library. Kemudian, why don't you do your homework before going out? Kemudian menggunakan could. We could eat at home today. Menggunakan what atau how. What about eating at the new place? What about going to some place first? Itu contoh-contohnya. Kemudian untuk berikutnya, bagaimana cara merespon saran? Ya, responnya bisa negatif atau bisa juga positif. Dengan kata lain, dalam bahasa Indonesia bisa menerima atau menolak. Let's look at the following examples in the column for suggestions. Let's go to movies. If you accept the suggestion, jika menerima saran, Anda bisa menjawab. You may say, yes, let's go. On the other hand, you may decline or refuse the suggestion. Anda bisa menolak, yaitu dengan menggunakan kalimat sebagaimana berikut. No, thank you. I do not feel like going. The next example. Why don't you do your homework before going out? If you accept the suggestion, you say, your response, okay, I will. If you decline or refuse the suggestion, you say, sorry, I think I will go out first and then do my homework. Those are the examples of responding to suggestions. Okay, still offer and suggestion. After we know about how to make a suggestion or how to make suggestions, how to respond the suggestions, to accept or to refuse. Now we continue to the expressions of to offer. The definition or to understand what is offer mean. Here offer means to give something physical or abstract to someone, which can be taken as a gift or a trade. Offer can be given in terms of food, money, solutions, friendship, or a bargain. It can be taken or declined or refused. Apa maksudnya? Offer memberi tawaran kepada seseorang. Tawaran itu bisa berupa pemberian dan juga bisa transaksi dalam perdagangan. Contohnya seperti apa? Secara fisik bisa menawarkan makanan, menawarkan uang. Abstrak bisa menawarkan solusi. Kemudian a bargain, tawar-menawar dalam perdagangan. Ini berlaku di dalam perdagangan, ataupun jual beli. Contoh sederhana, for example, shall I take you home? Do you want help with your homework? Kemudian, bagaimana cara membuat tawaran atau how to make offers? Kita lihat polanya, diawali dengan may, can, shall, would you, how about I? The complete examples are: may I give you a hand? Can I help you? Shall I bring you some tea? Would you like another piece of cake? How about I help you with this? Can I clean the car for you? Can I clean the car for you? Those are examples of offers. Okay. The next is about how to respond. The expressions of offer. When someone or somebody offers you something, for example a help, you may accept or you may decline or refuse. Jadi apabila Anda diberi tawaran sesuatu, Anda bisa meresponnya apakah menerima atau menolak. Apabila menerima, itu bisa kita lihat pada kolom-kolom contoh accepting offers. Apabila menolak, kita bisa melihat contoh declining offers. For example, can I help you? If you accept or for accepting offers, you say yes please, I really appreciate it. But if you decline offers, you say it's okay, I can do it myself. It's okay, it's okay, I can do it myself. Next example, contoh berikutnya. Shall I bring you some tea? To accept, you say thank you, it's very kind of you. If you decline or refuse offers, you say no, thank you. Next example, would you like another helping of cake? Yes please, that would be lovely. And then if you decline or you refuse, you say no thanks, I don't want another helping. Okay, you may look at the following examples as written there in the slide. We can take a resume that the structure to offer something is as follows. Ini contohnya secara sederhana dan secara simple ataupun singkat. Kita bisa melihat pada kolom-kolom berikut, yaitu yang pertama diawali dengan modal verb would, shall, could, will, kemudian subject, kemudian object. Objek di sini maksudnya adalah apa yang akan diminta, tawaran apa yang akan dipersembahkan. Itu contoh-contohnya. Okay, students, that's all about how to offer and to suggest, or how to make offers and suggestion after you join the class of English. Yeah. We do hope that you can do that. You can do it by yourself or with your partner at home. You can do exercise. The exercise will be given through WhatsApp and through Google Classroom. I think it's all. See you later. Thank you. Goodbye.